The secret life of carnivorous plants, hunters of the plant kingdom. Today we journey into a realm where the lines between plant and predator blur, the fascinating world of carnivorous plants. From the iconic snap trap of the Venus flytrap to the sticky tentacles of the sundew, we'll witness nature's remarkable adaptations firsthand. The Venus flytrap, a plant that bites back. Our journey begins with perhaps the most iconic carnivorous plant, the Venus flytrap. Native to the nutrient-poor bogs of North and South Carolina, this botanical marvel has captivated imaginations for centuries. The Venus flytrap's leaves are modified into intricate traps, each lined with tiny trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect brushes against these hairs, the trap springs shut. The two halves of the leaf snap together with lightning speed, imprisoning the hapless victim. The plant releases digestive enzymes that break down the insect's soft tissues, extracting vital nutrients. This macabre feast can last for days, and once the process is complete, the trap reopens, revealing the indigestible remains. The Venus flytrap's speed and precision make it a true marvel of evolution. Nepenthes, the diverse pitches of the plant world. Our exploration of carnivorous plants now takes us to the lush, humid tropics, where we encounter the fascinating Nepenthes, a genus of pitcher plants renowned for their incredible diversity and unique adaptations. Unlike the active snap trap mechanism of the Venus flytrap, Nepenthes are passive trappers. They rely on a combination of alluring nectar, vibrant colors, and slippery surfaces to ensnare their prey. Their modified leaves form deep, fluid-filled pitchers, each acting as a deadly trap for unsuspecting insects and other small creatures. These pitchers are marvels of natural engineering. Some Nepenthes have evolved elaborate peristomes, the rim of the pitcher, which are often brightly colored and intricately patterned, adding to their allure. The peristome's slippery surface sends insects tumbling into the depths of the pitcher, where a pool of digestive fluid awaits to break down their prey. Some species have evolved specialized glands that secrete sweet nectar from the underside of their lids, further enticing insects to their doom. In a fascinating twist, other Nepenthes have developed a unique partnership with bats. These plants provide a safe roosting spot for bats, and in return they receive essential nutrients from the bats' droppings. The sheer diversity of Nepenthes, with over 170 species, highlights the remarkable power of evolution and adaptation in the plant kingdom. Each species has its own unique strategy for survival, making Nepenthes a true wonder of the natural world. Heliamphora, masters of the pitfall trap. Our journey now leads us to the remote tabletop mountains of South America, home to the remarkable Heliamphora, also known as the sun pitchers. These carnivorous plants thrive in harsh, nutrient-poor environments, where they have evolved a simple yet effective strategy for survival: the pitfall trap. The inner surface of the pitcher is lined with downward-pointing hairs, making escape nearly impossible for any insect that ventures too far. The nectar secreted by the plant is laced with a narcotic substance that disorients insects. Bacteria and other microorganisms thrive in this aquatic environment, breaking down the drowned insects and releasing nutrients. The Heliamphora, with its simple yet effective pitfall trap, stands as a testament to the ingenuity of nature. Byblis, the rainbow plants with a sticky secret. Our exploration of carnivorous plants now takes us to the sun-drenched landscapes of Australia, where we encounter the Byblis, a fascinating genus of plants known as rainbow plants for their glistening, dew-covered leaves. These delicate hairs are not merely decorative, they are the Byblis's secret weapon, each tipped with a tiny gland that secretes a sticky mucilage. As an unsuspecting insect lands on the leaf, it becomes hopelessly entangled in the sticky mucilage. The Byblis then secretes additional enzymes that break down the insect's soft tissues, turning its body into a nutrient-rich soup for the plant. The rainbow plants, with their glistening traps and macabre feeding habits, are a testament to the incredible diversity of life in Australia's unique ecosystems. Rorigula, a carnivorous plant with a helping hand. We journey now to the fynbos of South Africa, a region renowned for its biodiversity and unique plant life. Here we encounter Rorigula, a carnivorous plant that has evolved a remarkable strategy for survival, a symbiotic partnership with assassin bugs. Roridula, unlike many other carnivorous plants, lacks the ability to digest its prey directly. Instead, it relies on the help of tiny assassins, assassin bugs of the genus Pomeridea, to do its dirty work. These tiny insects have evolved a remarkable resistance to Roridula's sticky resin. The assassin bugs, after consuming their fill, leave behind droppings on the leaves of their host plant. This mutually beneficial relationship allows both organisms to thrive in the nutrient-poor soils of the fynbos. Brocchinia reducta, the bromeliad with a taste for insects. Our exploration of carnivorous plants takes us now to the lush rainforests of South America, where we encounter an unlikely predator, Brocchinia reducta, a bromeliad that supplements its diet with the help of a watery grave. Nestled among the dense foliage, this plant stands out not for its vibrant colors or towering height, but for its unique method of capturing prey. The plant's leaves are coated in a slippery, waxy substance that makes escape nearly impossible for any insect that ventures too close to the water's edge. This waxy coating is a masterful adaptation, ensuring that once an insect lands, it has little chance of escaping. As insects gather to drink or bathe in the Brocchinia's watery trap, they lose their footing and tumble into the depths below. The plant's design is such that it lures insects with the promise of water, only to ensnare them in a deadly embrace. The water itself is not the primary means of digestion, but rather a drowning pool that prevents escape. Once trapped, the insects have no way out, and their struggle only hastens their demise. Bacteria and other microorganisms break down the organic matter, releasing nutrients that are absorbed by the plant. This symbiotic relationship between the plant and microorganisms ensures that Brocchinia reducta gets the nourishment it needs to thrive in its nutrient-poor environment. Brocchinia reducta, with its unassuming appearance and watery trap, is a reminder that appearances can be deceiving in the heart of the rainforest, where survival is a constant battle. This bromeliad has evolved a fascinating strategy to ensure its survival, turning the tables on unsuspecting insects. Cobra lily striking from the shadows. Our journey takes us now to the serpentine world of the cobra lily, a carnivorous plant named for its uncanny resemblance to a cobra poised to strike. This fascinating plant, also known as Darlingtonia californica, is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. Found in the bogs and fens of North America, particularly in the states of California and Oregon, the cobra lily is a master of deception, luring its prey with a combination of alluring scents and a labyrinthine interior. These unique habitats provide the perfect environment for this plant to thrive. The cobra lily's trap is a passive one, relying on a combination of slippery surfaces, downward-pointing hairs, and deceptive lighting to ensnare its prey. Unlike other carnivorous plants that use active traps, the cobra lily's method is subtle yet highly effective. Insects, attracted by the plant's sweet scent, enter the pitcher through a small opening beneath the hood. This scent mimics the smell of nectar, drawing unsuspecting insects into its deadly embrace. Once inside, the insect finds itself trapped in a labyrinth of slippery surfaces and downward-pointing hairs. These features prevent the insect from escaping, leading it further into the plant's digestive chamber. The cobra lily, with its striking appearance and cunning trap, is a testament to the power of evolution to shape life in the most extraordinary ways. Its ability to adapt and thrive in such specific conditions highlights the intricate balance of nature and the endless possibilities of evolutionary design. Bladderwort, underwater traps of the plant world. Our exploration of carnivorous plants takes us now beneath the surface of ponds, lakes, and slow-moving streams, where we encounter the bladderwort, a master of underwater entrapment. These submerged plants possess a remarkable adaptation, bladder-like traps that suck in unsuspecting prey with astonishing speed. Hidden amongst these leaves are tiny pear-shaped bladders, each a vacuum-powered trap waiting to be sprung. When a small aquatic creature brushes against these hairs, the trapdoor springs open, sucking the unsuspecting prey inside with lightning speed. Digestive enzymes are then released, breaking down the soft tissues of the prey and releasing nutrients that are absorbed by the plant. The bladderwort, with its underwater traps and lightning-fast reflexes, demonstrates that even in the depths of aquatic environments, the struggle for survival can be just as fierce and ingenious as it is on land. Butterwort glistening leaves with a greasy grip. Our journey takes us now to the bogs, fens and damp meadows of the world, where we encounter the butterwort, a carnivorous plant with a deceptively innocent appearance. Its glistening leaves, resembling those of succulent plants, belie a deadly secret. A sticky, greasy surface that spells doom for unsuspecting insects. Insects attracted by the glistening surface often mistake the butterwort's leaves for a safe landing spot. But as soon as an insect lands on the leaf, it becomes trapped. The mucilage, a sticky mixture of sugars and digestive enzymes, adheres to the insect's legs and wings, preventing its escape. The butterwort, with its glistening leaves and greasy grip, is a reminder that appearances can be deceiving. Sundew, the glistening tentacles of a botanical predator. Our journey into the world of carnivorous plants culminates with the sundew, a genus of plants renowned for their glistening, dew-covered tentacles and their ability to lure, trap, and digest insects with remarkable efficiency. Found on every continent except Antarctica, sundews thrive in a variety of habitats. Insects, attracted by the glistening droplets, land on the sundew's leaves, only to find themselves trapped in a sticky embrace. The tentacles, sensing the movement, slowly begin to bend inwards, further ensnaring the prey. Once the insect is fully immobilized, the sundew secretes additional digestive enzymes that break down the soft tissues of its prey. The sundew, with its glistening tentacles and intricate trapping mechanism, stands as a testament to the diversity and adaptability of carnivorous plants. From the lightning-fast snap trap of the Venus flytrap to the glistening tentacles of the sundew, carnivorous plants have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Thanks for watching, and remember, carnivorous plants are not just fascinating, but also crucial to understanding the diversity of life on Earth. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of unique plant adaptations.